I'm Jae Leone. I'm 16 years old and I'm a junior at Saul High School. I guess I started cooking when I was like 9 years old. The first dish I could make on my own.
I would say chicken cutlets.
Chicken cutlets, definitely.
Chicken cutlets. It's like my go-to. It's what I would watch my mother do. And it's one of the first things I showed her how to do. And it's one of the first things she got down. Her breading technique was, like when I saw her bread the chicken cutlets, I knew like she had it. That not everybody has it. She understood like the basics at a young age. I'm her father, Walter. I'm Jay's dad, cooking in the city professionally for over 20 years. She picked everything up on her own. As she had questions, I would like guide her that way, but like she pretty much took it and ran with it. I kind of threw her into like the fire, baptism by fire. Like I gave her the knife, let her do her thing, and didn't show her or tell her how to hold the knife. She just like grabbed it naturally and clawed her hand. And I was very impressed with it and proud.
So the number one person who inspired me was my dad. Also, my mom. So my dad's always been working in the kitchen since I can remember. And also, when I was younger, my mom, she would like make and sell cakes. So she used to make the really pretty cakes and they would sit on the counter. And I was like, I want to do this, you know? Since I was little, my dad was like telling me about Mark Vetri.
I mean, I never got to work in any of his restaurants, but then when I ate at Vetri on Spruce Street, I just remember like the food blowing me away.
So I chose to go to Saul because I saw that they had the culinary program, the food science program. The good thing about it is that I major in food science, but I can still go to clubs after school. So I saw VCL was going to be a after school option at our school, and I was like, I need to join ASAP. So I ended up joining. So one of the great parts about being at Vetri Cooking Lab was that before, working in the kitchen with people was just very frustrating for me. Like sharing the space where I feel like I could move around freely and not being able to move around freely was very frustrating for me. But being in the teaching kitchen space or just being with people at school, having to work with them during Vetri Cooking Lab, it was just like, I learned how to work with people. So now like I'll cook with my siblings at home and I won't get annoyed that they're like standing where I was about to walk. There's a lot of things I actually learned. I touched up a lot on my knife skills. Like when I'm in club, it's like I want to show these people that like I know what I'm doing. Like I want to show them that my small dices are perfect, you know? It's a very like safe space to show people, hey, this is what I know. I'm going to show you how to do this so you can do it at home. So you're learning things from the educators, from your peers, from the teacher who's also in the classroom. So you learn a lot. You learn a lot of different dishes and cuisines from different cultures. Like I never tried Ethiopian food. We made that. Before starting Vetri Cooking Lab, I would say I was pretty picky. I hated cilantro, I hated eggplant, I didn't like citrus on my food, but now I feel like I'm so much more comfortable with those things. Sometimes I'll want zucchini. That also has translated like into the house, because even at home I'm like, here, try these, and it's like, oh wait, that's actually not bad. So, and also it's good that my little siblings, they come here too, so I can see that it's had an effect on them too, between being less picky, wanting to help at home.
Being here, that has definitely shown at home. You know, the range of the things she can cook now is exponentially grown since she's been here at Vetri. Yeah, I'm really excited that she has the opportunity to work with Vetri Cooking Lab and being under, you know, people who know what they're doing, and I know they know what they're doing, and have a reputation in the city about knowing what they do, especially with Vetri getting into the right place in the right community to learn the right things and getting the touch. And it's like you couldn't be in a better place, honestly.
So I'm not sure what my future holds right now. I do definitely want to do something with cooking, but right now I'm undecided if I want to head further into like baking and pastry or cooking, you know, in a place like that. But I'm glad that Vetri Community Partnership could be a part of it. I don't know. We'll see where the wind takes me. I didn't realize there were so many types of flatbread. Like there's like so many different types of